flock of seagulls trying to start a band, but they keep squawking out of tune as the gulls argue over who should play the tambourine. A toucan with a clipboard, leading a group of penguins in a team-building exercise, but they keep sliding around on the ice. A group of chickens in business suits having a meeting to discuss egg production while a rooster gives a motivational speech. A parrot teaching yoga to a group of bouncy bunnies, with one particularly uncoordinated bunny causing chaos. A penguin wearing a bow tie, attempting to